sick, tired, in pain, and yet we're still making videos for you guys.
Arm out, Mason.
All right, plan here today is to get Sixsquatch rebuilt. Cab back on, roll cage back on, fenders, everything. That's the plan. Have fun watching and enjoy.
Okay, nice and easy, guys, okay?
A few long minutes later.
Okay, pull it back. So you need to grab a couple of those bolts. Grab 2 of those bolts and the nuts. You gotta get we can put a pry bar in there or something if we need to wedge it forward a little. So Mason, will you get a pry bar? So you're gonna put it in right here. Okay. You're gonna put it in right here and then wedge it. You're gonna bend it backwards. Okay.
Yeah.
Tegan. Lean over, Tegan. Actually, yeah, give it to me. I can do it from over here. That should help him. Hopefully. Thank you, Mason. Okay. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay. Let me get another one in. Oh, I got that. Mason, get your brother a couple more bolts. Okay, get the nuts on them. Once you're done with that, then we'll come over. I'll have you do this side, and you just get the plate and then do this side. Just 2 bolts for now is fine. Okay.
All right.
Mason, do you want to do this one?
Sure.
Okay. You got to slide 2 bolts in, and then slide it in place so that it doesn't hit the cab. So like on the front, and now the that end where your hand is goes forward to the front of the truck. Okay, it does say it on there. Yeah. Okay, good. All right, put 2 bolts in like here and here. Okay, so there and there, and then get the nuts on those, and then get 2 more to the other side. If you can't get it that way, let's reposition. Okay, I want to get the air intake cut while it's up there and get it angled so I can find out the angle and everything I want on it. Oh no, I might have to re-drill that. Show me the other bolt. I think we gotta run the drill bit through all the way again. Clean it up. I don't think it's
Looks
quite.
like they're angled down. You might want to
They
go
are off a little bit when we put the drill bit through and ring it out, because it's really difficult by hand to get a straight one on there. Okay, you know how to get it in place, right? Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Up higher. What I would suggest, you want me to suggest something a little different? Because you're not going to be able to pull it far enough like that to get it in place. So here, I'll hold this. Say, Dad, will you hold that? Okay, I'll hold this. Okay, you grab that, you pull. You got to make sure you're up high enough first, though. You up high enough?
Not quite.
Okay, let's get you up a little higher. A little high is fine. Okay, all right. Now hold it straight while you pull. Move the ladder. Move the ladder, dude. You got to move the ladder out of your way. All right, you ready? Okay, let's do this. Right. A little further. little more. Okay, stop. It's a little far. Bring it back a little bit, okay? Oh, careful. Roll that over. Roll it over so you don't hit it again. Thank you. Got, yep, good job. Okay. Lower it down. Line it up. Okay, you can leave it a little loose, and then you can get your bolts through it. Nope, back up a little. Yep, just leave it a little high. You can get your bolts through it. Go ahead and get your bolts in. Be careful with the paint. We still got to do the body work on this one, finish the body work on the other, lean it against the tire, that's fine, or down the ground, either way. And then we'll get both these mounted up. Then we got to figure out what we're going to do with the hood. So, well, we can rest the hood in place, cut the body piece. I think we're just going to build new mounts for the hood and the hinges. So, all right, I think that's our plan. All right, back. Be careful with that. Okay. All right. Where's your brother? Come on, here, hold it up. We gotta get a dent out of right here. We gotta fix all that. Rust spot. What's rattling around his head there? Hold on. Up. Oh, you guys have no idea what we're doing. We have a big plans, not with this. It's coming. It's coming. Okay. All right. We got to do a hood now. Now, this time, guys, when this stuff comes off, we want to do the body work, get it painted, so that it goes on permanent next time. Okay. All right. Now, will you guys go look and see? Let's go find a hood. Okay. You guys got it? You lift. Tough kids. Tough kids. Okay, get it over there. Get it lined up. Hold on to you. Lift it up, Mason. Lift it up. Yeah, let go of it. Found some gravel.
Still holding it.
Wait,
Fingers
why?
stuck.
Oh, your fingers are stuck?
Yeah.
You okay, Mason?
Oh,
but you still have your thumb. It's still there. It's dirty, really dirty, but it's still there. Okay, somebody give me a ladder. Somebody give me a ladder.
How big?
I don't care, 6 or 4 or whatever. 10-foot ladder's too big.
Well, they say you don't care. About 100-foot ladder.
I said 6 or 4. Yeah, I'd like to see you try to assemble and put up a 100-foot ladder. You know what's funny? I had a 100-foot ladder once. No, we had a. Oh, I did something stupid. I bought a fire truck back before these guys were even thought of, and brought it up from Arizona. That thing was massive. I was thinking, hey, I'm an apprentice electrician at the time. I could use this to do service work, and I could build it into a service. No. No.
It's going down the road on electrical emergency.
No, but I kind of pissed off the American Fork Police Department though. I kept moving it every day so they couldn't ticket it. I'd move it, I'd either turn it around or move it like 20 feet. Just up and down, just enough where they just pissed them off. Finally, I was able to arrange an industrial yard to put it in. Then what happened, because it was so big, it was in such good shape, we donated it to a museum out in Grantsville. And they came and grabbed it and like, oh, thank goodness. And I just took the tax write-off and said, I'm done. That was a screw up. I learned from that one. That thing was huge. It still had all the regular ladders inside of it too. So, I mean, it was a loaded truck. Big old engine, everything. And it blew out halfway up here. No, about 2/3 of the way up here, it blew out 2 tires. Yeah, so I had to go pay for that. That was a nightmare. Yeah, it was rough.
Drove it up.
I didn't. I was going to. Well, that's a story. So, what I think it was Phoenix. I think it was Phoenix. I'll have to look. But we were driving. I fly down. I buy it. I jump in it, and I'm driving it up through town on the highway on a Saturday afternoon. Not understanding that with this Allison transmission, when you hit 3rd gear, you have to let off the throttle and then throttle back up for it to shift on this thing. So come to find out, I was doing 35 miles an hour on the highway on a Saturday afternoon on the only main highway out of Phoenix, pissing everybody off in a fire engine. And the cop got behind me and he's like, yeah, I didn't want to pull over a fire engine. So I pulled over, I saw him back there, so I pulled over off the exit. He's like, do you know how fast you were going? I said, no, there's no speedometer in this thing. It's a fire engine. He goes, you were doing 35 on the highway. I'm like, yeah, I never would have made it home with that. So I parked at the gas station, hired a guy. He went and grabbed it, and he drove it up for me and blew out the tires. And then I had to run down with new tires and get somebody to go change the tires. That was $1,000. Back then, now it'd probably be like $3,000. So, yeah, I'm glad I just donated. And then he flew home. Yeah, that was a pain. I thought, hey, you know what? When I bought it, I'm like, I'll just throw it on a rail car, on a flatbed rail, on a train, and have them bring it up. No, the rail line's like, no. We don't deal with small-time people like you. So, like, okay. So we went through an adventure. Yeah, and I jammed up traffic so bad down in Arizona. It was not funny. I felt bad, but I didn't give a crap. It wasn't my thing.
Somehow throughout the day, my dad got the idea to use me and Mason as hood ornaments. So that's what's going on. It was fun though.
We hooked him up. Let's see what we can do with him.
So much scary. So much scary now.
So you're at a point you can't let go. You can't get off. Well, I guess if you. You guys just floating there.
There it is. Fun. Hi, I'm flying. No, no, he turned off the crane. No, you're.
I'm gonna have so much fun with this.
This is what they'll look like when they're taller than me later on.
Maybe not this side.
Alright. Now be my hood ornament, guys. Move. You can put a little pressure on the, yeah, right there on that edge.
Just doing it to...
Yeah. Arm out, Mason.
That's the catch.
Okay, okay. Alright, go. Oh, yeah.
Turn that one on.
You gotta push better than that. You gotta throw better than that. Watch.
Okay, let's stop that.
Hold on, me sitting on your shoulder.
You want to just FaceTime Mom and have to see him at the
How's it gonna be when he's older?
Get back over there playing catch.
Steel bone. People put babies on their chest.
You had one for a long time.
Yeah.
Gunner really did.
So scary.
I'm gonna pull you back now. Tell me when. Okay, kid. Ornament. Good.
All right, it's been a long couple of days, but we got Sixsquatch rebuilt. We got the cab back on her. We got the roll cage, that thingy, back on her. We got fenders, hood extender, though we didn't really do much videoing on that. But yeah, we got the hood extender on. But yeah, we got the hood extender on that piece. Hopefully make it so that birds and crap don't get in. Still need to do a little bit of fine adjustment to it, but it should be fun. Have fun, and like and subscribe.